Usahay na yung mga pangutana nga lisod kay tubaghon. For example, ata mangaon.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up mga tihik? Maayong gabi natong tanan diha. Good morning kung buntag ka nagtanaw karon. Or good afternoon kung hapon or whatever mong time zone diha. But it's a good day and today kuan siya. This is something I haven't done before. So I'll be sharing my life in a day or in a night because right now I'm on my way sa office and wala lang. I know my life is boring but I'll just gonna show to you my daily routine from home to work and back again. Alright, so see ya! Right, so my shift for this week starts at 9 p.m. but I'm up early. So right now it's just 7:47. So normally if dili ko kamatag sayo, I take habal-habal ride from my place going to the main road para makasakay og jeep or beep. But since sayo ko nakamata karon, I'm just walking all the way through mga 5 to 10 minutes walk depende kung gagmay kag tiil or tagas taglakang. But right now mga an average of 7 minutes na walk, so which is fine para nasa tayo exercise gamay. And normally if magsakay ko og habal-habal, 10 pesos ang plitihan. So right now, nakasave daw 10 pesos by just waking up early. So, naka-exercise pag yun ka. So later, magpaabot ko jeep. Okay. This evening, dili siya alimuot. And 8 pesos ra ang plate. Compared sa beef nga, 10 pesos. Which I normally take basta udto kay alimuot. And mas comfortable. So, nan ako sa corner and I'm just gonna wait for our ride. Right, so I'm now here sa Fuente area and may jaywalking ka. Pabadlong. So I'm heading towards McDonald's and palitag kape. But before that, kapit ta sa Burger Junction. Kay wala pa ko'y dinner and palit na tag buy one take one nga burger. Kaya ron nakasave. So, ilang burger is just 28 pesos, buy one, take one. So, murang busuga. So, I'm here sa Burger Junction. Just few steps away from McDonald's and I'm on my way inside. Magura ko na human og lamoy sa burger. So, linya sa ta for our coffee.
Ay, orange regular lang yapon. Creamer and sugar.
Tagtolo. Kailangan ay plastic.
Hi, sir. Good evening. So, the localized coffee is one coffee.
Okay, so if you've heard earlier, I asked for three creamers and three sugars, but normally sa regular na McDo coffee is nagduha lagi akong ibutang. So I asked for three because I'll be taking this home kay nagabot sa balay, at least not a free creamer and free sugar. So technically this is part of what you paid for. So taon-taon, I'll be heading to the office, which is just across Fuente dito sa Robinson Cybergate, and I'll see you around. I'll just take a sip of this coffee. So on my way to the main entrance office, and of course we'll have our bag checked. And we're heading towards the elevator. Okay, yes, I'm here sa office. There is a my locker area, and taod-taod, sold na ko sa ops. And I'll see you later during our break. Usahay na yung mga pangutana nga lisod kay tubaghon. For example, ata mangaon. So right now, break na nako, lunch break, and I'm still undecided og asa mo kaon. So I think most of us struggle gini siya every day. Labi na mo daghan mo mangaon asa dapit. So that's one thing. So ngita sa ko dun sa moyunan. Maybe I'll just buy one more yogurt. Okay. Paul guys say fast food, and then lami sa kaon tempura or squid roll. So I'll just take my lunch, and after that balik ko sa office. And maybe I'll film or I'll take a video in out na sa shift mga 6 a.m. this morning. So I'll see you around. Bye for now. So I'm done with my shift and I'm on my way home. So I'm still thinking if I'll be taking a jeep or magpaabot ta sa beep, which is normally dugay. Basta sa'yo sa buntag. Ay, by the way, from time to time, na mag-display di hagtaho. So, or napinapaligya o ka ng kutsinta. So, depende sa trip, sa'yo mo, palitsan ko. Bye. But for now, that's just my normal daily routine. Balay, piscina, balay. And that's just it. I wanted to share and hope to see you again on our next vlog. And again, thank you so much for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Have a great day. Bye-bye.